right, number 2. Use the remainder theorem to find the remainder when p of x equals 5x cubed plus 1x squared plus negative 4x plus 4 is divided by x minus a negative 4. So this is the second one in my final exam review guide. So the remainder theorem states when you divide by a linear expression, when you divide a function f of x by a linear expression x minus c, the remainder is actually going to be the function evaluated at c. So in this case, our c is negative 4. So we're going to evaluate p of x at negative 4, and that's going to give us the remainder. So p of negative 4 is going to equal 5 times negative 4 cubed plus 1 times negative 4 squared plus negative 4 times negative 4 plus 4. All right, so negative 4 cubed is negative 64, so we have 5 times negative 64 plus 1, negative 4 squared is 16, so 1 times 16 plus negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16 plus 4. Okay, so 5 times negative 64 is negative 320. And 1 times 16 is 16, so we have plus 16 plus 4. So these three, that adds to 36. So we have negative 320 plus 36. So it's going to be negative 284 is going to be our remainder in this particular case.